What is the question? Check whether 6 power of n 6 power of n can end with the digit 0 for any natural number n. N is any one of the natural number. 6 power of 1 is the 6 or n equal to 2. 6 power of 2 is 36, but not the end of in units place 0. So therefore, how is the end of the 0? Which number end of the 0? What is the prime factors of this number? First time you check the 10. 10 the prime factors of 2 and 5. 2 and 5 the prime factors of 10 because in the units place 0. And the next one is 20. So is there 20. 22 and 2. 2 2s are 4 and 5. Is there compulsory 2 and 5? So is therefore 2 and 5. And next one object, say, so is therefore 70. Write you the 70, the prime factors 70. So is therefore find the 70 prime factors. Is there 2 3s are 6. There is remaining 1. 2 5s are 10. 7 5s are 35. 5 1s are. Therefore, the 70 prime factors of 2 5 7 is there. 2 5 7. There is, you check that number. 2 5 is compulsory is 20. There is 2 and 5. And in 70 2 and 5 must and should in units place 0. So is therefore the prime factors is in the 2 and 5 compulsory. There is not an 2 and 5, that number is not a in units place 0. Yes, okay. So is therefore your number given 6 raised n. Therefore you first find the 6 raised n. What is the prime factors of 6? What is the prime factors of 6? You find. So is therefore 6 raised of n. Your base number is 6. First time you find the 6 prime factors is in the, that prime factors is in the 5 or 2. So is therefore checking, is there prime factor 6? So therefore 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are. The prime factors are 2 into 3 bracket raise of n. Yes, okay. 6 the prime factors 2 into 3. So is therefore raise of n. But there is not is in the 5 prime factors of that numbers. Yes, okay. No, because is there only 2 compulsory the units place 0. 2 and 5. 2 is the one of number. Yes, next one is the 5. 5 is not belonging to the is there. Yes, okay. So is therefore 6 raised n is what is the given? 6 raised n can end with the digit 0. So is therefore 6 raised n do not the end of the digit 0. Yes, it okay. Understand? Write it. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಚೆಕ್ ವೆದರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಮಾಡು. ಏನು ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 6 raised n ಅಂತ. 6 raised n ಅಂತಂದ್ರ 6 ರ ಘಾತ n can end with the 6 raised n. N is a natural number, but there is the n take any one of the number, n equal to 1 or n equal to 2, n equal to 3, n equal to 5, n equal to 6, any one of the number. But that numbers you search or you detective or you multiply. What is the product? Not there is end of the units place in a 0, but there is compulsory 6 because is there 6 power of 1 is 6. 6 power of 2, 36. Yes, okay, take that number in units place. Units place must and should remaining are repeated. What is the number of 6 but not 0? So therefore, digit 0, where is the in unit place? So is the 0. For any natural number, you take that 6 power of 100 or 6 power of 2 lakh. That time must and should in units place not a 0, there is the 6. So therefore, you take that what is the compulsory? What is the rule in units place? Must and should the prime factors are 2 and 5. 0 ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ತಗೊಂತೀವಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಆ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು 2 ಮತ್ತು 5 ಎರಡೂ ಇರಬೇಕು. 2 ಮತ್ತು 5 ಅವಿಭಾಜ್ಯ ಅಪವರ್ತನಗಳು ಅದರ ಇದ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರ ಮಾತ್ರ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಕಂದ್ರ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ ನಾವು 10 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ, ಅದರದ್ದು ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ ನಾವು 2, 5. ಈಗ ಮುಂದೆ ಬೇಡಪ್ಪ 20 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ. 20 ಅಂತ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಇದರ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ 2 ಇಂಟು 2 ಇಂಟು 5. ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟರ ಇರ್ಲಕ್ಕ, ಬಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2, 5 ಆದಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅದ್ರ ಅದಲ್ಲ. ಅಥವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 70 ಅಂತ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇಂಟು 5 ಇಂಟು 7 ಅಂತ ಬಂತು. ಬಟ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 2, 5 ಆದಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಆಗ 2, 5 ಇರುವುದರಿಂದ ಈ ಪದ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಂಗಾದ್ರ ನಮಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನು 6 ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ n ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ರು, ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ 6 ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ n. ಎಸ್, ಯು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 6. ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ 6 ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಆ 6 ದಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 6 ಇಸ್ ಎ ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಟ್ ನಂಬರ್, ಅದಂತೂ ಸಂಯುಕ್ತ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ 6 ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. 6 ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಏನದಾವ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ. 2, 5 ಆದೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ. ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ದ ಇನ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಶುಡ್ 0 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಬಟ್ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು 6 ಅಂತ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿವಿ. 6ರ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆವು, ಹುಡುಕ್ದೆವು. 2 ಮತ್ತು 3 ಅಂತ ಬಂತು. ನಮಗ ಇದು 0 ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರ 2 ಅದ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ, 5 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ 2 ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ 5 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇರಲ್ಲ. 2 ಮತ್ತು 5 ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಅದರೊಳಗ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಅದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 2 ಮತ್ತು 5 ಎರಡು ಅದಾವ, 2 ಅದ, ಬಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಇಲ್ಲ. 5 ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರ ಇದು ಯಾವುದೇ ನೀವು n ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಸ್ವಾಭಾವಿಕ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ. ನೀವು ಬೇಕಾದ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ನಾ 6^1 or 6^2 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ಬೇಕಾದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಆದಾಗೂ ಸಹಿತವಾಗಿ ಈ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ 0 ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ that numbers ending with 0 has both 2 and 5 as their prime factors. Any one of the number ending with 0, there is must and should 2 and 5 the prime factors is compulsory. But therefore 6 raise n equal to 3 raise n into 2 raise n. 6 raise n equal to 2 raise n into 3 raise n does not have 5. There is does not have 5, one number. So is therefore as a prime factor. So it does not. Therefore that number is does not end with 0. Explain why 7, 11, 13 plus 13. And 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 are composite number. The question is explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 is one of the question. And so their second one question, 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5. There are two problems in 6th. The first one, 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 is a composite number. So is the question. First you write that number given 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13. 7 is prime factor, 11 is a prime factor, 13 is a prime factor, plus 13 is a prime factors. But the question is that number is a composite number. Yes, okay, that time the common number, there are both side is first one LHS side 7, 11, 13 and RHS side is the 13. 13 is a common number of given factors. 13 is a common number, there is the 13 and so is the 13. 13 is common, remaining 7 into 11 into 13 is common, so that place taken by 1 plus 13 is common number, so is therefore 1 and 13 7 into 11 into 1 7 into 11 77 77 into 1 77 77 plus 1 77 plus 1, so is therefore 13. 77 plus 1 is 78. Yes, multiply of that two numbers 78 and 13. 78 into 13. 8 3 8s are 24. 3 7s are 21. 23 plus 1 8s are 8. 1 7s are 7. 4 8 plus 3 11. 7 8 9 10. 1014. So is the answer of 1014. 1014 is a composite number or prime number. 1014. 1014 is a composite number. So is the already 1014 is a composite number, but taken by 7 prime factor, 11 prime factor, 13 prime factor, but 13 prime factors. So is therefore that is not a prime number, so is the composite number because 1014 is a composite number. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 7 11 13 13 ಅಂತ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವಿಭಾಜ್ಯ ಅಪವರ್ತನಗಳು ಅದಾವು. ಬಟ್ ಅವುಗಳನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಬಿಡಿಸಿದೆವು ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಅದು ಸಂಯುಕ್ತ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಆಗತ್ತೇನೋ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಮಾಡದಾವ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರ ಅದೇ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ ನಾವು 7 11 13 13 ಅಂತ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 13 ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಅಪವರ್ತನ ಹೊರಗೆ ತಕ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಎರಡೂ ಕಡೆ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿದಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನ ಒಂದು ಬದಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿದಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನ ಒಂದ್ ಸೈಡ್, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಡಗಡೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಲಭಾಗ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಎಡಭಾಗ ಮತ್ತು ಬಲಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 13 ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಅಪವರ್ತನ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 7 ಇಂಟು 11 13 ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಅಪವರ್ತನ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಅದ ನೋಡಿ. 13 ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಅಪವರ್ತನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ 1 ಐತಿ. ಇವೆಲ್ಲಕ್ಕ ಗುಣಸ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ 7 11 1 7 11 77 1 77 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 1ಕ್ಕ 1 ತಗೋಬೇಕು. 13 ಸೇಮ್ ಅದ ನೋಡಿ. 77ರಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಸೇರಿಸ್ರಿ 78 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 78 13 ಗುಣಿಸೋರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬತ್ತು? 1014 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1014 ಯಾವ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಅದು? ಸಂಯುಕ್ತ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಸೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 is a composite number. The question. First, the solution of that one question. So is the same of second one questions. First I am write that question. 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5. In LHS side and RHS side, there are both side 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So is the one off side, and another one side is 5. So common factor is the 5, and therefore there is the 5. 5 is common factors of that given problem. So therefore 4 into 3. 7 into 6 into 1 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 1 is therefore 7 6 ja 42. Next 1 4 ja 4 into 7 6 ja 42, 1 4 ja 4, 3 2 1, 3 2 ja 6 into 1 6 plus 1, and next is there 5, 42 into 4 into 6, 42, the first half number 42 Multiply of the 4 into 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 4s are 16. 168. 42 into 4 is 168 into the number of 6. So is therefore multiply of 6. 6 8s are 48. 6 6 are 36 plus 4 40. 6 1s are 6 4 10. 108. 1008. So is therefore 1008. 1008 plus 1. And the final answer 5. 1008 plus 9 1009. Multiply of that number 5 9s are 45. 5 9s are 45 is 0. 5 into 0 0. 5 1s are 5. 5045 is a composite number or prime number. So is the composite number. Yes, okay, clear. There is a circular path around a sports field. Sonia is the name of one candidate or one student name. Sonia takes 18 minutes. Takes 18 minutes to drive one round. Sonia takes the time of 18 minutes to the drive one round of the field. And next, that time Ravi is second person. There is Ravi. Ravi takes the time of that same point or same path 12 minutes for the same. Suppose they it means Sonia and Ravi both start at the same point and the same time. Ravi and Sonia starting the same point the same and the time of same and go in the same direction. The direction is the same, not a opposite direction, is the same of one direction. After how many times or how many minutes will they it means Ravi and Sonia meet again at the starting point. Both Ravi and Sonia meeting the again at the point the same of a point. What is the time or what is the taken the minutes? So is therefore you first find the Sonia the time of 18 minutes. Yes, is the 18 minutes. Find out 18 minutes. So is the 18 is one of a composite number. First you find the prime factors of that numbers. 18 is there 18. So you find the first prime factors 2 9s are 18 and 3 3s are 3 1s are 2 3 3. The prime factors of that numbers 2 power of 1 into there is 3 into 3. So is the both number are two numbers 3 square. The end. And Ravi takes the time of 12 minutes. So is therefore Ravi take the time of 12 minutes. 12 minutes find the prime factors of that number 12. So is therefore 2 6 are 12 and 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. 2 2 3. So is therefore 2 power of 2 into 3 power of 1. Yes, okay. Is the prime factors 12, 2 and 2. So is therefore 2 square. Remaining only 1 3. So is the 3 power of 1. Yes, you find the LCM of that two numbers 89 12. LCM is there 2 power of 1, 2 power of 2, highest exponent or highest power or highest index of that two numbers 2 power of 1 and 2 power of 2. So is therefore 2 power of 2 into 3 power of 2 and 3 power of 1. So is the highest exponent of that numbers 3 power of 2 is therefore 3 power of 2. The answer 2 power of 2 is 4 into 3 power of square is 9. 4 9s are 36. 36 is the answer of that question. 36 minutes after both Ravi and Sonia meet again a same point. Yes, is understand?